Hey guys, Yana Speaks here, and in this video, I'm doing your weekly love reading. Yes, I have bags under my eyes because I am tired. I have not gotten any really good sleep in the last 2 days, but don't worry, I'm gonna get some sleep, all right? So, I'm doing you guys' weekly love readings today. I wanted to do it yesterday, but yesterday was crazy. I had a sale going on and I had so many readings and I just didn't get a chance to do it. So I'm going to do it today. All right. So spirit guys, please tell me, my subscribers, what is their overall energy? What is their overall energy and love this week? What is their overall energy and love this week? What the hell is going on with y'all? Well, we're starting off with the Seven of Swords. So, y'all guys' overall energy is that y'all being deceptive. Y'all being sneaky. Okay? You're trying to get away with something. We also have the Seven of Cups here. So, I'm be honest with you. I feel like y'all got multiple options. I'm gonna be real. This may not be you. This could also be vice versa, the person that you're dealing with. But we ask your overall energy. So, it looks like everybody wants you. It looks like you have multiple suitors in love. And you're definitely exploring these other options. You're being deceptive though. So it seems like you're like doing this in a very sneaky way. So whoever may be your main person, they probably are not aware of you having other suitors. Yeah, y'all being sneaky. I'm gonna keep it real. Even if y'all get upset with me about that, that's what I'm saying. I'm seeing you guys being sneaky this week. Like now, like I said, it could be vice versa, but that's what I'm seeing. Okay. I kind of feel like you feel justified by doing this though. So it could be like the person that you are with has caused you some anguish, and that's why you're choosing to kind of, weigh your other options and actually like entertain your other options. So that's what I'm seeing here. Like I feel like you feel like justified by it. Like you feel like it's the fairest decision. Like you don't really feel like you're doing anything wrong. That's just what I'm seeing here. I feel like also too, some of you may be having a new financial start. So some of you may be starting like a new financial project. If not, it could be some of you getting like a new job this week or going on job interviews. If you're going on a job interview this week, it looks like you're going to get it. But I just feel like a lot of you may feel trapped in your relationship. Okay, and that could also be the reason why you are exploring your other options and actually entertaining your other suitors. It's like you just feel justified. You're like, I don't think you guys feel like you're wrong for doing this. I'm just being honest. Yeah, I think you're bored with your relationship. It's like you're rejecting it. Or it could be that your partner makes you feel rejected, like they're bored with you. So that's why you're feeling justified by entertaining your other options. So it could be either way, but y'all is being sneaky. Yeah, then we have the devil here. Yeah, y'all creeping. Y'all creeping. Y'all know that like this is wrong, but you're like, I don't care, I feel justified. Okay. I feel like you need to be careful though, because I could see your partner picking up on you doing this. Just a warning. I could literally see a partner like going through your phone, checking your social media. I can literally see them finding out about this thing that you're doing. So just be careful. But yeah, you guys are creeping. That's what I'm seeing. Like I said, it could be vice versa. So let me ask Spirit. Spirit, can you please tell me how their person feels about them. How does their person feel about them? How does their person feel about them? Page of Swords. Remember I just talked about be careful because they may find out about it. I feel like they feel like you're doing that. And like I said, this could be vice versa. This could be you feeling like this about your partner, but this person is picking up on something ain't right with you. They feel like you are creeping. Devil. Yeah, this person is trying to get to the bottom of the truth when it comes to you, because they don't feel like things are right with you. They feel like you're doing something that you're not supposed to be doing. Like I said, be careful because this person is picking up on what you're doing. Okay, I do feel like this person does love you. They have a deep emotional connection to you. I feel like they may not express it to you or show it to you all the time, and I feel like that's why you're doing this. And this person has to kind of deal with themselves and realize that they haven't been as loving as they could have been towards you, and that's why you're doing this. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I feel like this person, as I'm looking deeper into this spread, I feel like this person knows that you are for sure creeping behind their back. Okay, that's what I'm getting, and that's what I'm feeling intuitively too. Like this person knows, but they haven't said anything to you yet about it. This person is like really in their feelings about this situation though. It's interesting because by you doing this, it's kind of like a wake-up call for them. And I feel like this person wants to repair the problems that you guys have had in the past, and they have the faith and the hope that that's possible. And I could literally see this person trying to like be your knight in shining armor, like to try to like reignite that spark between the both of you, because I feel like this person is realizing that they have neglected you. And then here we go again. I just talked about igniting that spark with you again. That's what I feel like this person is going to try to do. So that could be why the Justice card popped out, because I feel like this person has been neglecting you. And for a long time, things weren't fair between the both of you. The scales were not balanced, right? So this person needed to see that you do have other options, that other people want you, for them to realize what they've been doing, like how they've been neglecting you. Like I said, this could be vice versa. So my advice this week is to just be careful. I do feel like this person already knows what's going on, but they may not know everything, but they are aware that there's other people involved. Okay, so just be careful. All right, now before I let you guys go, I want to show you something really quickly. All right, guys. So I don't know if you guys remember, right? Some of you are new subscribers, some of you are old subscribers. But for the new subscribers and the old subscribers, obviously, I've been trying to get this masterclass out for a while. But like every time I would say, okay, I'm gonna get it out, something would always come up, always, and I just wasn't able to get it out. Like I would have like an overflow of readings, just like personal stuff. I would get a whole bunch of like one-on-one coaching. So it just made it where it was really hard to get this masterclass out. So I finally was able to get it done. All right. So I was saying to myself, like, I could put it out this month, right? But then I was thinking, you know what? I want to start off fresh for the new year. because I know everyone, especially with the, the New Year's resolution, everyone wants to start off fresh. We're entering 2020, so it's not even like we're just entering a new year. We're literally entering a new decade. And, I just wanted to be able to get this masterclass out as soon as possible. So it is done, but I'm not going to launch it until January, the very first week of January. All right. So if you're interested in this masterclass of learning how to remove the current blockages in your love life right now, okay, blockages, obstacles, whatever issues you're facing in your love life right now, even if you have trust issues, even if you think you don't measure up, this masterclass is for you. All right, so if you want to register for it so that you can be one of the very first people to attend it, because I'm only allowing 100 people to attend this masterclass, it would be in your best interest to just go ahead and register on the in the link in the description below. All right, so that you can make sure that you secure your spot, and that you don't miss out on getting a seat for it. Yes, this masterclass is online. It's not like you have to be there physically. It's online, right? Anyways, if you guys would like to book a private reading with me in the meanwhile, all the information to do that will be in the description below. If you'd like to join my free Facebook group, all the information to do that is in the description below. And I will see you guys in the next reading. Talk to you soon. Bye.